Hi, my name is Mr. Chu and I welcome you to my study room. If today is your first time, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. In today's study, we are going to be learning around co-interior angles, and with the help of the GeoGebra app, I'm going to tell you what they are and the relationship between them and maybe any other few things we need to know about them. And I encourage you to pay attention while we go through this lesson together. Thank you. We have our pair of parallel lines AB and CD here, and then we have a transversal EF crossing them, and a transversal is just a straight line that intersects parallel lines. Like I said earlier, today's lesson is about co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, someone may ask what are they? I'm just going to try explaining them. Co-interior angles are angles between two parallel lines but are on the same side of the transversal. So first of all, they are between the parallel lines. I would like to note that one down. Another thing I would like you to note is that they are on the same side of the transversal. These are just my own choice of words just to help with the understanding of what co-interior angles are. So what I mean is that they are between, so they are not outside, they are between the parallel lines and they are on the same side. So I mean this angle and this angle are co-interior angles. The same way this angle and this angle are also co-interior angles. And what can I say about their properties or their measure? They are supplementary. And in case you don't know what supplementary angles are, supplementary angles sum up to 180 or they add up to 180. Obviously, is the reason why we are using the GeoGebra. So we'll verify to see whether co-interior angles are indeed supplementary. Alright, so we are going to measure angle GIA. Okay, let me measure CHG first. Then I measure angle CIA to see whether they are supplementary. So CAG, the size is 61.14 degrees, and then we measure GIA, and this one is 118.86, and we can just add that and see, and we have 61.14 plus 118.86, and this will give us 180 degrees. The same way, we are going to measure these two here too. These two, they are also co-interior angles. So we'll measure them to see whether they are also supplementary. Let me clean this one to avoid any distraction. So we take angle GAG first. GAD, and that gives us 118.86, and then we take angle BIG, which also gives us 61.14. Rightly so, because this and these are alternate angles, and if you remember, alternate angles are equal, and these are also alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. So that's why the two of them will still give us the same thing. But the most important thing is that we are on Cointerior angles, and when you add this, you get 180 degrees, which confirms that Cointerior angles are supplementary. I already have videos on corresponding angles, alternate angles, and vertically opposite angles. So I encourage you to watch them as well if you have any concern with any of them. Thank you for making time with me in my study room today. Alright, so soon, this is where we bring today's lesson to an end. I hope this lesson has helped your understanding of Cointerior angles. If yes, why not consider subscribing to this channel for more videos, especially those who are visiting here for the first time. Thank you for making time with me, and I hope to see you again in my study room. Thank you. Bye bye.